Hey there, friends. Today we are going to be working in our Logic of English workbook. So go ahead and grab that and a pencil, and when you're ready, come on back. You need to turn to Review F. Review F starts on page 165. So go ahead and pause me here, and then when you are ready with your pencil, go ahead and let's get going. Okay, friends, I've turned off my camera so that you can just focus right on the work. On this page, we see some of our vowels. We are looking for our short, long, and broad vowel sounds today. So I'm going to tell you a sound and then tell you the instruction for how I want you to mark it. Our first sound is ah. Find that and point to it with your finger. Ah, a broad ah. Then circle it. The next sound I want you to find is I. Find long I with your finger. I want you to underline the long I. And lastly, I want you to find ooh. The broad ooh. Put an X over it when you find ooh. And then turn the page. On this page, we are practicing our very best handwriting. I need to see one L, one X, and one Z on each line. We are using uppercase letters, so make sure you are fitting the lines the correct way. I do not want to see you fill the line with all the L, X, and Z's that you can fit. I do not want to see you write gigantic, ginormous letters that do not fill the line the correct way. I do not want to see sloppy, sloppy letters or silly, loosey-goosey letters. I want to see one L, one X, and one Z properly formed and spaced on each line. Go ahead and pause here and fill in your paper correctly. When you're ready to move on, come back and unpause. On this page, we are listening for specific phonograms. I'm going to tell you a phonogram, and I want you to circle the one that makes that sound. So let's look at number 1. Number 1 is the orange boxes at the top. I want you to circle hua. Hua. Number 2, the blue boxes. I want you to circle I, 3-letter I. Circle I, 3-letter I. Move to number 3, the green boxes. I want you to circle the phonogram that says R. R. Number 4, the yellow boxes. This phonogram is OR. Which one says OR? Circle it. And number 5, the red boxes at the bottom. Which phonogram says ng? Ng. Circle it and then turn the page. On pages 168 and 169, we are going to be reading the sentences and matching them to the pictures. However, there's no way to draw the lines like we usually do. So the first thing that we need to do is number the pictures on page 169. So you need to write a number in each box going straight across. 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, and finally 7, 8. Make sure your numbers match my numbers so that your paper is correct when you turn it into your teacher. Once you have them all numbered, you're going to read the sentence and pick the number of the picture that matches. So the first sentence reads, "The bell on the clock will ring." So when I look at the pictures, I only see one that has a bell with a clock that could ring. So I'm going to write the number 6 next to my sentence. I want you to continue reading sentences and writing the number that matches off to the left. When you are all done, come back to the video because we have one more thing to do. On this page is a list of high-frequency words. These are words that we should be able to sound out and read with a little bit of help. I'm going to read left to right, top to bottom. These, take, small, ride, push, win, ball, long, white, name, put, which. I want you to practice reading these words to a family member today. And then when you are all finished, have someone take the pictures of the first few pages and send them off to your teacher. Have a great day, kindergarten.